Hi everyone, I'm just testing this out. I don't know how this is going to be. Can you hear me? I'm not even uploading it to YouTube, but I just wanted to see how this would work. It looks pretty darn good, pretty good to me. Yeah, I got some of this stuff. I'll just throw this over here for now. Got some of Tim Holtz's ideology hinge clips. I got some paper clips because I'm going to do some billies. And I needed some brads. I didn't have not a one. And I got these bulb pins to hang something off my journal. I got these cute little clothespins. I think they're just cute. And I couldn't, Fabri-Tac in Canada is so expensive, so I bought Elaine's Fabric Fusion. It seems to be working awesome. So that's just a little bit of stuff. Oh, and this Kiwi Wax Rich shoe polish. Crafty Irene talked about this and using this in place of, you know, inking your edges and stuff like that. So I want to give this a try and see how that works. I've also been busy working on a, what are they called? Actually, if you do them in fabric, they're called snippet rolls. But this is a paper roll, a paper snippet. So I just kind of glued stuff down and, you know, just kind of kept going. You can see I glued some stuff down. I actually sewed everything. It's been a while since I did this. So, yeah. Just some extra little things I've been working on, like stamping Life is Good, little butterfly, adding this on. And you're wondering, what the heck would you use a snippet roll for? Well, I think these would be really cute to just, you know, cut off and use almost like a washi tape, only this is quite wide. But I thought it was really cute. It was fun to do. Just using up the extra stuff that I had on my desk. And on the back, the whole back is a journal spot. So this, I think, can be used for many things. I'll have to do another video on this when I'm using it. But I just wanted to show you what I've been doing. I've been really busy. My my journal, my junk journal's almost finished, and almost ready to do a flip. Should have that done. I was hoping to have it done last week, and I ran into a couple of snags, so yeah, I'm going to have it done this week. The video will be up this week. What else have I been doing? Not too much. Just working on my journal. I cut out some things with my silhouette. I'm not sure. This is the leftover, what I cut out, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. Oh. I'm just looking over at the side of my desk here to see what else. Oh, I have a jar of coffee here, and I've added isopropyl alcohol to this with a little bit of water. This is actually, I made the tea. I don't know if I just said coffee. It's tea. I made this tea quite a while ago when I was dyeing papers, and I like to use, just a second and I'll get it. I like to use this tray when I'm doing them, and I also like to use just a regular brush. And I'll show you what a few of them look like. I just put my whole stack of paper right in here, and I just kind of start painting. Now I've made this lighter because I don't really like the dark. And I may have put a little bit too much alcohol in there. I'm not sure. So, and this is where I think something like that might be handy. Just let me. I'm just going to leave it like that. And I just keep going. And I keep stacking them. And you know, if it goes through to the one below, it doesn't matter because you're you're going to be tea dyeing them anyway, or coffee dyeing them, whatever. Coffee, tea, whatever is your choice. And every once in a while, I like to just kind of add a little bit more. I air dry these. I do not put them in the oven. So this is quite a light mixture now. And I'm just going to do a few and we'll see how they turn out. I'm going to throw another one of these in there. And just add a little bit more. I got a few more than one in my hand here. There we go. So, boy, that alcohol is almost enough to make me pass out here. So I think I'm going to have to add more tea because it's pretty strong. Hoo, 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 hoo. So I'll put my last one in right there. And it doesn't really matter where you put them. Wherever you want them. Just make sure they're stuck down. So, and I just keep going like that. I just keep stacking. So, and it's just regular paper. So, yeah. Just thought I would share that with you. So I'm just going to put this off to the side. I was going to show you some other papers that I used with inks. I thought they turned out pretty nice. I just basically did them in the same way. just stack them on top of each other. These ones were done in the oven. You can tell the crunchiness. And it caught on fire in my oven. You got to really watch your oven when you're doing this. So that's why I've kind of chosen to not do them in the oven. Because they get a little bit crunchy for me. I don't really like that much. So that's too much. So yeah. So this was a short video, and next time you see me, it'll be with my junk journal. Bye now.